In this video I will show you how you can add a font in Photoshop. So I have already downloaded one font which was not there in my Photoshop or in my PC. You can download these fonts from on the websites which are there on the internet, and first of all you need to install that font. You need to click the install and your font will be installed. Now this font has been installed on your PC or a desktop. If I select this and I go to my font, you will see that this font is available over here. Previously this font was not there in my Photoshop. That in order to install a font in Photoshop, you need to install that font in Windows. So you need to just download that font and install that in Windows. So if that font is available in Windows, that will be available here in your Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.